Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The iPhone, iPad, or Mac and the printer must share the same Wi-Fi network so devices discover each other. Once done, power the printer and verify it advertises AirPrint or Bonjour. That makes printing seamless without drivers. Now open the file or photo you want to print. Tap the Share or File menu to access the print command so you can select the printer and proceed immediately. This gets you into the printing flow. You now choose the AirPrint printer from the print dialog. Devices announce available printers, so pick the correct name. Next, set copies, color versus grayscale, paper size, and duplex printing. These options control cost and output. Use the preview to confirm orientation and margins. Pinch to zoom to inspect text or images. Make adjustments to scaling or page range if needed, because small mismatches here often cause wasted pages, and then press Print to send the job immediately. You finish by watching the printer status on your device. On iOS/iPadOS, use the app switcher to access the print center to cancel or retry a job. If the printer is missing, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, reboot the printer, and make sure firmware is current because outdated firmware blocks discovery. Also check for network isolation or guest SSIDs. Corporate networks often prevent AirPrint. If problems persist, connect both devices to the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.